Hello students, in previous lecture we have seen isomorphic binary structure. Now when we say that two sets are said to be isomorphic, first define the function which is 1 1 on 2 and homomorphism. Then we say that the given two sets are isomorphic, means both set has same properties. So next we will see subgroup. So subgroup. So what is mean by subgroup? First we have seen what is mean by group. So when we say that G is said to be group under binary operation star, now G under binary operation star is said to be group if first condition closeness property satisfied, closeness property satisfied. Second condition associativity in G satisfied, means G is associative. Third, existence of identity, and fourth last condition existence of inverse. If these four conditions satisfy, then we say that G under binary operation star is group. And we say that when we say that G under binary operation star is abelian group, if again last condition, if G is abelian, then we say that G under binary operation star is an abelian group. Here we will see subgroup. So what is mean by subgroup? When we say that suppose I have set H and again another set G, then when we say that H is subgroup of G, so when we say that first condition is H first should be non-empty and which is subset of G. So first condition is H is non-empty and which is subset of G, and H itself forms group. Then we say that H is subgroup of G. What is the condition? H should be non-empty and which is subset of G, and H itself forms group. Then we say that H is subgroup of G, means H should satisfy all these four conditions. First, closeness, associativity, existence of identity and existence of inverse. Then we say that H is subgroup of G. So let's see definition. If a non-empty subset H of group G is closed under binary operation of G, is closed under binary operation of G, and if H with the induced operation from G is itself a group, then H is a subgroup of G. Means when we say that H is subgroup of G, first H should be non-empty and which is subset of G, and H itself forms group. Means H is non-empty subset of G and H itself forms group. Then we say that H is subgroup of G. Then we say that H is subgroup of G. H is subgroup of G. If these two conditions satisfy, means if a non-empty set H of group G is closed under binary operation of G, and if H with the induced operation from G is itself a group, then H is a group of G. Induced operation. So induced operation means both the set having same binary operations. So here means suppose I have set of natural number which is subset of what the set. So set of natural number is subset of set of integer. Set of integer is subset of set of rational number, and set of rational number is subset of real number. So what we say that, so natural number under operation addition. So here operation is addition, then which is subgroup of what? Which is because natural number is subset, first we check subset. Natural number is subset of set of integer, means what we say that set of integer under addition. So natural number addition is subgroup of set of integer under addition. Next what we say that natural number is under addition is subgroup of what? Rational number. So natural number under addition is subgroup of set of rational number under addition. Next what we say that set of integer under addition is subgroup of rational number under addition. So here natural number includes 0. So natural number is not group because there does not exist identity element. So here I will say natural number includes singleton 0. Here I say natural number includes singleton 0 because natural number is not group, so there does not exist identity element. So I will write it as natural number union singleton 0. So this forms so natural number not forms group, so I don't take this set. So I will take only set of integers subset of set of rational number, which is subset of set of real number. So I say that set of integer under addition subgroup of rational number under addition. Next set of integer under addition is subgroup of real number under addition. Next I say that q under addition subgroup of r under addition. And set of natural number under addition is not group because 0 does not belongs to natural number. So identity element does not exist, and inverse of element, suppose 2 belongs to natural number, there does not exist minus 2 belongs to natural number, such that 2 plus of minus 2 is equal to 0. So inverse of element does not exist in natural number, and identity element does not exist in natural number. So natural number under addition operation is not group. So I take only set z, q and r, set of integer, set of rational number and set of real number. So z under addition is subgroup of g because z under addition forms all satisfy all the 4 properties of group. Therefore z under addition is itself group. Therefore z under addition is subgroup of q under addition. So z under addition is again subgroup of real number. R under addition, set of rational number under addition, is again subgroup of real number under addition. So yes, we denote it by, when we h is subgroup of g, then we denote it by notation h is subgroup of g. That is, so this is the notation for h is subgroup of g, and h subgroup of g means h is subgroup of g but h not equal to g. So this is the meaning of this notation. So this is again notation for h is subgroup of g, means h is subgroup of g but h not equal to g. And this notation for h is subgroup of g means h is subset of g and subgroup of g, and h may be equal to g. So this is the notation for subgroups. Now for example, the set of integers under addition is subgroup of a real number under addition. So subgroup means what? Here set of integer and are not same. So we say that h under addition is subgroup of r under addition. Set of integer under addition is subgroup of set of rational number under addition. But set of positive rational number under multiplication not subgroup of real number under addition, because here operation is addition and here operation is multiplication. So this which is not, so q under addition under, so q plus under multiplication is not forms group under r plus real number under addition. So because if I take elements 2 3 from set of positive rational number, then here operation is multiplication, means 2 into 3 which is equal to 6, and here I get, here operation is addition, 2 plus 3 which is equal to 5. So both are not equal, therefore closeness property is not satisfied, means either here operation is addition and here operation is multiplication, therefore q plus under multiplication not subgroup of real number under addition. So next example, real number under addition is subgroup of complex number under addition. Set of rational number addition is subgroup of complex number under addition. Set of real number r star is non-zero real number under operation multiplication is subgroup of complex number. C star, set of all non-zero complex number under multiplication. Here both operation are multiplication, therefore r star under multiplication forms subgroup of C star under multiplication. Here in this example, here operation is multiplication and here operation is addition, therefore this is not subgroup. So when we say that h is subgroup of G, first we check h should be non-empty, and which is subset of G. So in this example, so R real number is subset of complex number first, and R under addition forms group. So this forms group itself. Forms group itself means what? Which satisfy all four property. First, closeness means I take any two elements from real number, then their addition, here operation addition again in real number. And next, second condition, associativity for any three element. So associativity in real number under addition operation always satisfied. Now third condition is existence of identity. So there exists 0 belongs to R, which is an identity element, and inverse means suppose I have element A belongs to real number, there exists inverse minus A again from real number. So all both four properties satisfied, therefore R under addition is group itself. So it is subgroup of complex number under addition. Now next definition, if G is group, then subgroup consisting of G itself, is called improper subgroup of G, and all other subgroups are called proper subgroups. So here G is group, then subgroup consisting of G itself is called improper subgroup, and all other subgroups are called proper subgroups. The subgroups subgroup identity is trivial. Identity is trivial subgroup of every group G. Subgroup of G, and all other subgroups are non-trivial. And all other subgroup are non-trivial. So every group G has identity element is trivial subgroup of group G, and all other subgroups are always non-trivial subgroups. So we'll take example. So set of positive rational number under multiplication is proper subgroup of of real number r plus positive real number under multiplication. So this is the proper subgroup, because so set of positive rational number and set of positive real number are not equal. So q plus is proper subset of real number under addition. Therefore q plus under multiplication is proper subgroup of positive real number under multiplication. Now we will see some groups. So first group, Klein 4 group. This is the very famous group. So the Klein 4 group. Klein 4 group, and denoted by notation V4. So which has 4 elements. So Klein 4 group V4, which has 4 elements: identity A, B, C, such that whose property is A square is equal to B square is equal to C square is equal to identity. So and multiplication of any two element is third element. So A into B is equal to C, B into C. So multiplication of these two is A. So multiplication of any two elements, which is the third element. So A into B is equal to C, B into C is equal to A, and A into C, which is B. Same as B into A is equal to C, C into B is equal to A, C into A is equal to B. So this is the property for Klein 4 group. Means so it has 4 elements E, A, B, C, and A square, B square, C square is equal to identity, and any two element, multiplication of any two element, which is the third element. So A into B is equal to C. So we will see composition table of Klein 4 group. So we see composition table of Klein 4 group. So this group is under multiplication operation. So composition table under multiplication. So what are the elements in Klein 4 group? Identity A, B and C. So E, A, B, C, and here E, A, B, C. So here operation is multiplication. E into E, again E. So E into A, E into B, B, and here C. So E into A into A square, and A square is identity. Next A into B is the third element. So A into B is equal to C. A into C is B. A into C, B. So B into identity B, B into A, C. B into B square. B square is identity. B into C, BC is equal to A. So C into E identity C into A, CA is B, C into B, A, C into C square is again identity. So this is the composition table of Klein 4 group. Next we will see very famous set, the quaternion group. So the quaternion group, the set of quaternion, and denoted by notation Q8. So in this set there are total 8 elements. So Q8, so which are 1 minus 1, I minus I, J minus J, K minus K, such that whose property is I square is equal to J square is equal to K square is equal to minus 1, and I into J is equal to K, and J into I is equal to minus K. Means, so by this cycle, so I write here I, J, and here is K. So if I into J by anti-clockwise direction, I into J which is equal to K, means I into J is equal to K, and for clockwise direction J into I is equal to minus K. So this is the property for quaternion groups. This is for I into J is equal to K, means if I take I into J into K, so for this direction, so for I into J, so this is the anti-clockwise, sorry, this is the clockwise direction. For clockwise direction, I into, so J into I is equal to minus K, and for anti-clockwise direction, I into J is equal to K. So I get J into K is equal to what? I, and K into J which is minus I. So I write J into I, J into I which is minus, sorry, J into I is equal to minus A. So here K into J I get here minus I, and J into K I get I. So like this all the operation means anti-clockwise direction and clockwise direction. We will take I into J is equal to K, and J into I is equal to minus K. So we will prepare composition table of quaternion group. So we will take composition table of quaternion group. Composition table of quaternion. Here what is given? So 1 minus 1, I minus I, J minus J, K minus K. So this is the group under binary operation multiplication, because here I square, J square, K square is equal to minus 1. So this is the operation multiplication. So this is sorry, first element 1 minus 1, I minus I, J minus J, K minus K. 1 minus 1, I minus I, J minus J, K minus K. So what is the property here? I square, J square, K square is equal to minus 1, and I into J is equal to K, and J into I which is minus K. Means suppose here I, J, K. So I into J, K, J into K which is I, and I into K which is J. But opposite direction, J into I which is minus K, K into J which is minus I, like this. So clockwise direction and anti-clockwise direction has different values. So I will prepare composition table. So 1 into 1, 1. So 1 into minus 1, minus 1. 1 into I. 1 into minus I, minus I. So 1 is identity element. So this row as it is, J minus J, K minus K. So next minus 1, 1 into 1, minus 1, minus 1 into minus 1, plus 1, minus 1 into I, minus minus plus I, minus 1 into J, minus J, plus J, minus K, plus K. Next we'll take I into 1. So I into minus 1 minus I into I square value is minus 1. Next I into I, here minus sign, I into I square value of I square minus 1, so minus minus plus 1. So I into j, what is I into j, which is k, I into minus j, so I into j k, and take minus sign outside, so I into j which is minus k. Next I into k, so this is I j k, this is clockwise direction, I into k, I into k should be j, and I into minus k, so I into k is equal to j, and I, so I will take minus sign outside, here I into k, so I into minus k means minus sign outside, so minus bracket I into k, so what is I into k, which is j, so minus j. So next minus I into 1, so minus I, minus minus plus I, so this is minus sign, so minus I into I square minus 1 minus minus plus 1, so minus I into minus I, minus minus plus 1, I square is minus 1, minus I into j, so minus I into j, so what is I into j, which is k, so minus sign k, minus k, minus I into minus j, so minus minus plus I into j is k. Next minus I into minus k, so minus sign I into k, so what is I and k, so what I and k, which is j. Next minus I into, here I into j I get, so last I have to find minus I into minus k, so minus I into minus, sorry, here sign is minus sign as it is, so here minus j. Next minus minus plus I into k, so I into k which is j, and last next is j minus j into I, here opposite sign, so j into I which is minus k, because that clockwise direction, so j into I which is minus k, j into I minus k. Next j into minus I, so minus sign outside, minus minus plus k, j into j square which is minus 1. Next j into minus j, so j square minus 1 minus minus plus 1, j into k, so j into k, so this is I, and last j into minus k, so minus I. So next multiplication, minus j minus minus plus j, so minus j into I, so this j into I, so which is minus k, minus minus plus k, minus j into minus I, minus minus plus j into I which is minus k, so minus j into j plus j, sorry, j square minus 1, so j square is minus minus 1, minus 1 into minus 1 1. Next minus j into minus j, minus minus plus j square is minus 1, so minus j into k, so here j into k, value of j into k which is I, so this is minus, so minus I. Next minus minus plus j into k which is I. Last two we will see k minus k into I, so this is opposite direction, k into I means we get minus j, so k into minus I, so we will get j, k into j, so k into j, this is again opposite, so I get minus I, and k into minus j will get I, k into k square minus 1, k into minus k which is 1. Last operation will be minus k plus k into I. Next minus k into I, so minus sign as it is ki, so ki, this is opposite operation, so minus j, so minus of minus, minus 1, minus of minus j which is j. Next minus k into minus I, minus minus plus, so k into I, which is minus j, minus k into j, so k into j, k into j opposite side, so minus minus plus, so which is I, minus k into minus j, minus minus plus, k into j, k into j minus I, and last, so minus k square, so k square value will be minus 1, minus minus plus 1, and last minus k into minus k, so minus minus plus k square is minus 1. This is the composition table of quaternion group. So now in next lecture we will see permutation group and whose properties. Thank you.